The room was silent except for the trembling voice of Song Yae-ren, who, unable to contain the weight of her emotions, finally let her tears spill into the public eye. Cameras clicked, journalists leaned forward, and fans across the globe held their breath as she broke down. Her was weaving a story so astonishing that the entire entertainment world froze in disbelief. What she alleged was not a petty scandal or a minor controversy. It was a revelation that pointed directly toward one of the most powerful figures in the nation. A business mogul said to control assets worth over 300 billion yuan. To name such a figure was unthinkable. To tie his name to Yu Meng's mysterious downfall was explosive. And yet in that moment of raw emotion, Song Yae-ren chose to speak. Her confession did not come lightly. Those who know Song Yae-ren best have often described her as careful, thoughtful, even restrained in the way she handles the media. But this time restraint was gone. She sobbed openly, recounting fragments of conversations, hidden pressures, and eerie coincidences that painted a chilling portrait of manipulation and betrayal. The figure she described was not just a businessman but a shadowy force lurking behind velvet curtains, pulling strings in ways that most could never imagine. Her words carried the weight of someone who had witnessed too much and who had finally decided that silence was no longer an option. For years, Yu Menglong had been admired as one of the most charismatic rising stars in the industry. His fan base adored him for his charming performances, his effortless smile, and his humble persona. On screen, he embodied love and innocence. Off screen, he appeared grounded and approachable. Kind of celebrity who seemed immune to arrogance, but behind this image, as Song Yae-ren painfully revealed, there were dark currents that very few understood. She spoke of his struggles, of the quiet tension that often clouded his otherwise bright demeanor, of the whispers that followed him into closed rooms where powerful men discussed his fate, and at the center of those whispers stood the name of the tycoon she accused. Mogul, with his 300 billion empire, was no ordinary businessman. He was a symbol of wealth, influence, and untouchable authority, known for his investments across industries. From luxury brands to film production, his reach extended into every corner of entertainment. To most, he was a benefactor. A patron who made dreams possible by funding ambitious projects. To others, however, was a looming presence whose approval could make or break careers. Yu Menglong, as Song Yae-ren recounted, had found himself in the crosshair of that influence, caught in a web where every decision carried consequences and every refusal drew silent retribution. Her breakdown revealed more than just an accusation. It revealed the suffocating structure of an industry where talent often serves as currency and where power dictates the rules of survival. Song Yae-ren spoke of incidents that had previously seemed isolated but now appeared interconnected. A cancelled project here, a sudden shift in endorsements there, unexpected reshuffling of casting decisions that left fans puzzled. All of it, she alleged, the invisible fingerprints of the tycoon, Menglong, she claimed, had resisted playing by the rules that were quietly imposed on him. That resistance, admirable though it was, on a collision course with forces much stronger than himself. What made her confession so electrifying was not only the magnitude of the accusation but the raw vulnerability with which she delivered it. She did not speak as a detached observer. She spoke as someone who had shared moments of trust and friendship with Yu Menglong, someone who had seen the pain in his eyes when the cameras were gone. He was fighting battles no one knew about. Said through tears, and those battles were not against rivals or critics. against power itself. Her was rang like a warning bell, reverberating through social media and igniting a storm of speculation. Almost instantly, the internet exploded. Hashtags carrying both her name and the vocals surged to the top of trending list. Some fans defended her courage, praising her for daring to speak truth against unimaginable odds. Others expressed doubt, questioning whether such a claim could possibly hold weight against someone so untouchable. Yet even skeptics admitted that the emotional collapse she displayed could not easily be dismissed as an act. Her grief was real, her trembling undeniable, and her story too detailed to be brushed aside as fabrication. The tycoon's name, previously associated with philanthropy and high-profile investments, suddenly carried a new shadow. Analysts began combing through his business history, looking for cracks, for inconsistencies that might align with Song Yae-ran's account. Old rumors resurfaced about his close ties with certain agencies, his influence over casting decisions, rumored ability to blacklist actors who refused his terms. For years, these stories had lingered at the margins of gossip, never confirmed, always denied. But now, under the weight of Song Yae-ran's testimony, they took on new life as the story spread. Entertainment reporters rushed to piece together timelines, reconstructing Yu Meng-yong's career trajectory alongside the vocals rise. They noted how opportunities seemed to vanish for him at critical junctures, how endorsements slipped away without explanation, how once promising collaborations dissolved overnight. Fans who had long been puzzled by these sudden setbacks now began to see them through a different lens. The possibility that they had not been coincidences at all, but consequences of hidden conflicts. The industry itself was shaken. Actors whispered in private group chats. Agents scrambled to reassure their clients, and production companies quietly reviewed their ties to the mogul. To accuse someone of his stature was more than reckless. It was dangerous. Yet Song Yae-ran's emotional breakdown had shifted the narrative. What had once been unthinkable was now being discussed openly. Even those who hesitated to believe her could not ignore the impact of her words. For Song Yae-ran, the cost of speaking out remains unknown. By pointing directly to a titan of wealth and influence, she has risked everything. Her reputation, her career, even her safety in a world where silence is often enforced with invisible hands. In her tears, in her courage, she delivered something that resonated beyond scandal. She delivered the truth of a friend's struggle, a glimpse into the invisible battles that lie beneath the glamour of stardom. And for the fans who watched in horror and admiration, her words became a rallying cry for justice, transparency, and the protection of those who dare to dream in an industry ruled by giants.